Yeah, hi everybody. Now, chapter 3, time value of money. So, here the money has time value. So, when the time changes, the value of money is also changes. That is the main important point. When the time changing, the value of money is also changing. After studying chapter 3, you should be able to understand what is meant by time value of money. Okay, what is time value? And what is the relationship between the present and future values? So you know that time has money has time value, then automatically there is a present and future. Okay, and describe how the interest rate, the value of money is changing only because of interest rate. When the time changes, the interest rate is constant and the value of amount is increasing because of the interest. So how the interest rate can be used to adjust the value of cash flows, cash inflows, cash outflows, forward, backward. Okay, single point in time. So you have to understand all these things and calculate both future value of the money and present value of the money. So in examination, they will give present value of money and you have to find out the future value of money. If they given future value of money, you have to find out the present value of the money. Okay. So if the amount invested today, then what will be the value after few years? If your maturity value is this much, and what is the value now? All these things you have to calculate. This portion is based on the formulas. Okay. And there are annuities in this concept. We have to understand annuities, annuity due and ordinary annuity. What is the difference between these two? So there are, the value of money is changing, right, based on interest rate. There is a prepared table. So those tables are called factor tables, factorial tables. And how we can use for the calculation of future value and present values. So the tables are most important. And use the interest factor tables to find an unknown interest rate. For example, they don't give any interest rate, but they give future values, present values. Then we have to find out the interest rates. Okay. Next is build an amortization schedule. Amortization schedule means loan amount is reducing. Loan amount reduces from 100 to 900 after payment. Okay. And what is the interest of that particular 100 payment? Okay, what is the interest for that particular year? All these things prepared in a scheduled form, tabular form. So this is amortization schedules. This is generally we buy something through installment basis system, right? So that is car insurance, car loan repayment schedules. All these comes under amortization schedules. Loan amount is 100,000. When you pay installments, their loan amount is reducing, amortizing, right? The payment of loan is reducing and the payment of loan is increasing by the interest, and the payment of loan is reduced by the payment of installment. Okay, the loan amount is reduced by installment and increased by interest. So something happening, one point is increasing, another point is decreasing. So we need to prepare a schedule immediately. If you check now, what is your due amount, what is your installment amount, what is your interest amount per that particular month or year, like that you need to build an amortization schedule based on these concepts. Right. Time value of money, we have terminology or methods to understand here: the interest rate, simple interest rate, compound interest rate, amortizing a loan, and compounding more than once per year. So compounded every 6 months, compounded every quarterly, compounded monthly, like that. So what is the compounding? What is the simple interest? We will go in depth now.